Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll explain how to add calls to action button in Zeely Ads. So to get started with that, Zeely is designed to simplify ads creation, especially for beginners and small businesses. So adding a call to action CTA button in your Zeely ad is actually very straightforward. So when you are setting up an ads through Zeely's AI powered interface, you will go through a step-by-step process where it asks you for visual test and the goal of your ads. So this is where the CTA button comes in. So during the ads creation flow, Zeely will prompt you to choose a customize a button label for your ads action. Typically, options are shop now, learn more, get offer, sign up, or contact us. So you simply select the one that fits your campaign goal. So this CTA will appear as a clickable button on your Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads created through the Zeely. So if you want a custom message for the CTA, some Zeely plan allows you to edit the button text manually, so you can create more personalized calls to action. The CTA button automatically link to your product page, landing page, or your URL you provided during the setup, so no coding or technical adjustments are needed. So in short, Zeely makes adding the CTA button part of its guided ad setup. So you pick the action text that matches your campaign goals. Zeely also handle the placement and the functionalities of the button in final ads, no coding, no design work, fully automated.